Yo, what's up, Molly Bwanji? Welcome back to yet another reaction. Tena langa titi, diman kala kuno kuyese koma di macho gera ku Botswana. How are you guys doing, man? If you are here for the first time and you are from Zambia, Molly Bwanji, Inende Lubuino, now you can subscribe. Let's get to it. We have Chile 1. It's been a minute since I reacted to Chile 1's music, so I am going to be reacting to 2 of his new songs. Company, Chile 1. Let's go. Jim.
Machine in a body yabana. From the day that I met you, girl, seluzali lupana. Walikata gemu ya pusana nga bafana. Nachulo body naka.
That gym looks exclusive, man. Yeah. Big up to the videographers as well. Like Chile 1 has been killing it when it comes to videos, man.
Fanika join a company, join a company, Tawaka chule mu company, company ni company, company, ala tawaka chule ngavida wa mugugulu bane kupishamo. You need to enjoy. Life is a blessing, baby.
Yo, okay, wait. That's the best. That's the best. Okay, I didn't mean to pause it there. Hold on. I gotta check out. Okay, I am back. Let's continue. So I am trying to understand what he's saying. Usually I can understand a little bit of Nyanja, but I don't know. Is he singing Nyanja? Because I think Chile 1 sometimes sings in Pemba, which yeah, and this is if I don't want to get myself in trouble. Let me know what the song is all about. I know company, maybe it means like, you know, let's be together. I don't know.
Especially me. Kazi wa mushena vision safunika kusia kapezeka mu this generation. Hey, you deserve better, not kulila dari munga kanimbo kanga kungala na warongo ninomu koma kupasa mutima warongo sinomu ala kukanyo kufwala mamini ngaya kudeka kwa fwaya ba mamini tata la kupela pona 1 penny koma mukwangala la posa 10 penny na mumira. Tell me what you see. You are the queen of majesty. Uyo mubili ni magiki aya kumutima mupoka maki. Waniga join a company, join a company, Tawaka chule mu company, company ni company, company, ala tawaka chule ngavida wa mugugulu bane kupishamo. You need to enjoy. Life is a blessing, baby.
I'm like, is it trying to encourage us to be, you know, just like let it loose? You need to enjoy.
Especially me. When you go join a company, tell me what you see. You are the queen of majesty. Uyo mubili ni magiki aya kumutima mupoka maki. When you go join a company. 44G music.
Yo, Chile One, man. I feel like Chile One is a legend right now because, like, you know, some of the music that he's producing are mature, right? Like, the chilling is the music that you listen to while you're just like driving, sitting at home. All right. While we are still in that spirit, we're gonna check out another one. And like I said earlier, if you're here for the first time, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell too, so you don't miss any of the uploads on this channel. And if you want to see another one new Chile One vacancy, follow me. Let's go.